Hey, Simon here from Easy Peasy Guitar. Hope you're well. We're going to look at a D chord today. So, that's this chord here, D major. Right, you're going to take the index finger of the left hand and pop it on the second fret of the G string. There. Then you're going to take the middle finger, two underneath on the second fret of the E. Then your ring finger is going to go in between them on the third fret of the B. Then you, with your thumb from the D, you're going to go D major. Nice and easy. Let's try that again. So index finger, second fret of the D string. Middle finger, two down, second fret at the top E. Ring finger in the middle on the third fret of the B. Then with your thumb, just from the D string, and there's a D major.